Everybody's like, yay, we're going to fix the Dust Bowl depression thing. And everybody's like, boo, we like farm workers, and we like ducks, and we like lakes, and we like hunting and fishing, and our state is becoming just this federally subsidized monopoly superpower, a couple of farmers. Boo. So we have the Federal Central Valley Water Project, soon followed by the State Water Project, and then glory years. And by the late 60s, early 70s, game over. All those congressional hearings that Jimmy Carter had that basically sealed his presidency to a single-term presidency, the public paid attention. They're like, wait a minute, this federal tax thing, we should be paying attention. Okay. Anybody else? Anything else from 44 to 46? Yes?
How did they fix it?
Well, actually, very little has been fixed. But the system stopped growing at that point. All right. I'm sure all of you would like to pack up and go home and gossip about Christmas costumes or Halloween costumes or whatever. I get confused. In my country, we do not have Halloween. But we should probably do at least the study goals. I mean, the vocab on 4.1, maybe a couple of study goals too. So take out your 4.1, please. There's a couple of vocabulary issues that are a big deal here. So in 4.1, remember that there are different types of food shortage. Kwashiorkor and marasmus are two nutritional disorders. Kwashiorkor is what happens if you are, listen carefully, malnourished. So you get enough calories, just not the right kind. During your early development, if you don't have enough protein, your nervous system doesn't grow correctly, and you get developmental stuff or physiological, nervous, motor skill stuff. Kwashiorkor is neural disorders caused by inadequate protein during development. That's an example of malnourishment. You're getting enough calories, but they're the wrong type. Marasmus, though, that is malnourishment plus undernourishment. This is what we call wasting away disease. This is people who are truly starving. Not enough calories plus nutritional deficiency of protein. This is not a good way to go. There's a distinction between malnourishment and undernourishment. These diseases highlight that distinction, and the College Board loves to ask you these words for some reason. They really care about those two diseases. Each of those gets 1 star, because the College Board will probably ask you about it. But synergistic effect, those get 2 stars. Or that term gets 2 stars. Does anybody know what a synergistic effect is? Yeah, unexpected consequences when things combine together in your body. Does anybody know 2 medications you can't mix?
Whoa.
Don't take Cialis if you take nitrates for chest pain.
There we go. Okay, whatever he just said. You don't take Cialis if you take nitrates for chest pain. Okay. Now look, none of us have any idea what that means, and I'm not a doctor, so this is not medical advice. But it's a good example. Nitrates for chest pain, good idea. Cialis for whatever it does, maybe a good idea. I don't know. But when you combine those two things, what?
It's a good idea.
It is a good idea. Is it a recreational drug?
I guess somewhat.
Boner pills.
Oh, boner pills. Excuse my crude use of language. I mean, Erectile dysfunction, ED, right. Okay. Yeah, I don't have to know. Okay. So many ways that this is wrong. The point I'm trying to make is those two drugs might work fine on their own, but their combination has bad side effects. Their combination has an unexpected outcome. This is really important in agriculture because we can test this pesticide and say that much is okay for you. And we can test this pesticide and say that much is okay for you. But we don't usually test what this plus that does in your body. You know how we experiment with all of those synergistic effects of pesticides? We just let you eat them and see what happens. You're the lab rats. You are the test. When your generation all has like an unexpected rise in testicular cancer, then we'll go, oh yeah, maybe it was the combination synergistic effect of it. Bye-bye, children.